Hi everyone, Jaren here from MicroSurvey, and I just want to show you one of the new features that we've got in MicroSurvey CAD 2021 Service Pack 2. One of the first things that you'll notice when you open up the program is the new start page, and I just want to go through some of the details of that for you here today. Over on the right side here, we have the social media icons. You can click on any of those and go to that appropriate website. One new one that hasn't been advertised very much is Reddit. That's a forum-based page for anybody that's looking for some answers to questions, wanting to chat with other users about the program, that sort of thing. That's a good place where you can go and get some answers, connections, etc. Over on the right side here as well, we have the news feed. That's where we can post about maybe some sales that we've got going on at MicroSurvey or some new product releases, that sort of stuff, just so we can keep you posted about what's going on here. And down the middle we have the recent documents. This is fairly standard for a CAD platform, but this will allow you to go back and work on the most recent projects that you have worked on. You can switch between views on that by clicking on these two buttons at the top. And over on the left side here, we've got a new project button, which will create a new project in the MicroSurvey format, not just a DWG. Open project to open up a past file, just like anything else. Template button, where you can go and select a new template file. That'd be a DWT, DWG, or DXF format, and it'll show the file name underneath, so you always know what template you're working on or working with when you want to create a new project. The iCAD.dwt was always used to create a new project by default. We just never really showed it before. Down at the bottom, we have an online training button. So this would be like a first aid course or something like that when you take it online. It's a self-led course. You'll watch a video and work through some examples to maybe learn some new things about the program. Tutorial videos, these have always been fairly common for MicroSurvey. We've got a lot of those if you want to go on there, hours and hours of videos. The help desk, so if you have any articles you want to go read or maybe go do a quick search, see if you can find some information, that's a good place to go. And the send feedback will allow you to submit a ticket directly to our team here for support. Down at the bottom, we've got a recent and directory tab. So for those familiar with the project manager, if you click on directory, this will allow you to browse to a specific folder. It'll show the folder up at the top here, and you can pick your projects out of there. Click on set to directory over on the left to set that folder. And we didn't create a new directory button. We felt that it was appropriate that you could just create a new folder from here if you really want to create something. So we can select that folder, and all of a sudden we're using that folder. Click on new project, and that drawing will automatically be created in that folder, just like the project manager. The project manager is not gone. The project manager is still available if you want to use it, but I'd recommend you try out the start page. It's a nice feel to the program, and it kind of makes it feel more fluid and all encompassed in one. So give that a shot. Thank you for checking in here today, and thank you for buying MicroSurvey CAD 2021 Service Pack 2.